80,000 new cases of bladder cancer are expected this year in the U.S. And while the rates in this country are starting to drop, they've been rising worldwide. And it's happening as most of the makers of the key drug used to treat this cancer have gone out of business. So patients, like a retired state police lieutenant from Rotterdam, can only hope they'll stay healthy. It's almost a year since 61-year-old Mark Haskell was diagnosed with bladder cancer. Not a smoker, the most common cause, this married father of 5 believes his bladder cancer was caused by toxins at Ground Zero. As a lieutenant with the New York State Police, he was stationed there for weeks after the 9/11 attack. Until now, his cancer has been kept at bay, thanks to the long-standing immunotherapy drug, BCG.
I had one tumor returning after my first set of treatments, and he said without the BCG there would probably be multiple tumors in there. And then the second treatment, of course, was successful, and they didn't come back.
Now he's on a maintenance dose, but it'll be cut in half April 1st because the drug is in short supply, so it's being rationed.
So medication is given into the bladder. Your bladder and your immune system finds that to be a foreign material and creates an immune response that can kill the tumor cells in place.
Dr. Mayon says 40 to 50% of bladder cancer patients are treated with BCG, and it's far more effective than chemo. Only Merck Pharmaceutical makes BCG, which is made from weakened tuberculosis bacteria. 2 other companies abandoned the market in recent months because of contamination and other production problems. And since it takes time to grow the bacteria, and the drug isn't very profitable, no other drug maker has stepped up.
If we don't have the drug, then a large number of patients are going to have recurrence of cancer and may need to undergo radical chemotherapy or radical surgery to remove the bladder.
Haskell, while hoping for the best, knows all too well that can be his future.
If it's possible that the companies are not getting enough profit, what are lives worth?
This is the second shortage of BCG in 4 years. The last time, Dr. Mayon says, the price of the chemo replacement jumped 130%. With no fix in sight, Dr. Mayon tells me he's going to reach out to local members of Congress, asking them to intervene and encourage Merck to make more of the drug, and also look at speeding up approval for a drug similar to BCG that's used in Japan. I will keep tabs on this. And Jim, I've already reached out to Congressman Tonko, and I'm awaiting a response from his office.